Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. The last video I did on this MorRyde alignment was a little dark and you couldn't really see very much, so I'm going to do this over. We had several people on YouTube say, hey, it's too dark. I can't see the tabs, I can't see the welds. Well, I'm going to do a better job this time. So MorRyde takes their alignment and their welding very seriously for our units. So we're going to zoom in here and take a look at right there. You can see those tabs. That's what they use to align these axles, this independent suspension, so that every one of your independent suspensions from MorRyde are all aligned very nicely. They're bolted on and then they're welded at MorRyde. You can see the bolts down there. There's one bolt. And there's another bolt right there. There's a good shot of those tabs. So hey, give us a call. Ask us about our MorRyde suspension and how they're aligned. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.